Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness Blog for US. You can get here health and fitness related videos on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, let's start the video. Losing weight is something practically everyone wants to do. For most people, beginning's weight loss routine can be really challenging because of how much effort is called for. But losing weight need not start with a total lifestyle plan and constant, intense effort. Today, I am going to share with you 15 best strategy for weight loss. These tips will help you into a healthier, weight-reducing life. Number 1. Exercise. If you want to lose weight, you should strive to get about 30 minutes of exercise each day. You can do whatever exercising you feel most comfortable with: running, walking, swimming, biking, playing sports, etc. Since the basic formula for losing weight is taking in less calories than you burn by exercising each day, you'll increase the number of calories you burn daily. Number 2. Follow your macros ratio. A good way to help you lose weight is to make sure you're getting the right ratio of macronutrients for each meal. Ideally, you want to have 40% of protein, 40% of carbohydrates, and 20% of fat in every meal. Following this basic guideline can produce great results. Number 3. Don't check your progress on daily basis. A good way to help you lose weight and succeed with your diet is to not care too much about your progress. Stay busy with work or with your friends and family and try not too much think about your weight loss. Thinking about it too much can cause you to lose motivation because you want to see results right away. Number 4. Not too much carb in your diet. Reduce the amount of carbohydrates that you eat throughout the day. Also, do not eat any carbohydrates late in the afternoon or in the evening. You can increase the amount of good fat and protein that you eat to compensate for your lost calories when you cut out the carbohydrates. Number 5. Add healthy fat in diet. A great tip for successful weight loss is to choose foods that have healthy fats like polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat. These include walnuts, olives, and salmon. These healthy fats make you full and satisfied for a longer period of time, so you will not overeat later in the day. Number 6. Eat salad. Eat plenty of salad, but be careful with the salad dressing. By adding a couple of tablespoons of salad dressing, you have transformed your low-fat food into a high-fat meal. Simply dress the salad with a little flavored vinegar and a much of oil, or use a purchased non-fat or low-fat dressing. Beware of high-fat extras such as cheese, bacon bits, or croutons. Number 7. Use physical transportation. Best way to lose weight: using transportation other than automobiles can help. Walking, bicycling, running, rollerblading, and various other physical transportation methods can burn calories. Calories you've added on through eating stay in your body. Number 8. Don't eat too fast. This way is also effective that you should eat more slowly. Stop, chew, and savor your food. Do not finish a meal within 5 minutes. If you eat too fast, your brain won't be able to send the full signal to your stomach in time. You will end up overeating and most likely gaining weight if you eat too fast. Number 9. Join health-related groups on social sites. Kindly join some groups on social sites or online community that focuses on weight loss. From these groups you will get valuable information and you will be in a support group that will keep you motivated in your endeavor. This is also a good support system for people who are too self-conscious to join a group in person. Number 10. Don't skip your meal. If you are serious about your goal, never not skip your meals. Try to eat about 5 balanced meals each day. You can still lightly snack on healthy foods. This helps produce a harmony to your body for top functionality. Number 11. Replace your unhealthy food to healthy food in your kitchen. If you want best result in losing weight, then you have to replace your unhealthy food to healthy food in your kitchen. Take the time to go through your cupboards, fridge and pantry and toss out all the cookies, chips and other junk food that you have sitting around. If they're not there to tempt you, you'll be more likely to eat a healthy diet. Number 12. Never get bored from your meal. A good tip that may help you lose weight is to add spices to your meals. When dieting, a lot of people make the mistake of eating their meals totally bland, without any flavor at all. You should try adding spices to your meals to keep yourself motivated and interested. Number 13. Avoid to drink alcoholic product. Stop drinking, or severely cut back on alcoholic drinks while you're dieting. Beer contains tons of carbohydrates and sweet drinks are full of sugars, and ones made with artificial sweeteners only stimulate your appetite. If you like to have a drink with dinner, choose red wine over other alcoholic drinks. Number 14. Take a part in some sports activities. A great way to motivate yourself to lose weight, take a part in some sports activities. For example, a game of pickup basketball can burn over 100 calories in just half an hour. This is also a very good option to burn more calories. Number 15. Look pics of successful people who achieved weight loss goal. One great tip for keeping motivation levels high is to look at before and after pictures of people who have had success. This will help you to visualize yourself at the level of fitness that you want and will keep you motivated on those hot, humid days when it just seems impossible. So, you can see that these simple tips are easy to implement and will bring you multiple health benefits. Make a commitment to add 1 or 2 new steps a week to your daily routine. You are sure to feel better and weight loss in a few months, and you will be able to continue these newly learned behaviors on into the future. If you want more information regarding fitness, workout program and many more, check out my website. Links are in the description of the video. If you like this video, kindly like and share this video. And also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.